Today I will show you how to install sms-bomb in your Kali Linux in Android. So I show only installation process here. If you want a full practical video of this tool, you can join in my Telegram channel, guys. I will give the full practical video there. So first copy the command. I given this command in my Telegram channel, guys. So please visit there and copy it and paste it in terminal. Okay. First copy the first command and paste it and press enter for apt update and apt update. After that, copy the second command. Okay. Copy it and type here get clown and press enter. Copy it and paste it here and press enter. I already installed this one, guys, that's why I'm not doing again. After that, make ls for the list and cd for the chain directory. Copy here sms-bomb, copy it and paste it here, and now again make clear. After that, make again ls. After that, copy the fourth command, copy it and paste it here. Okay, I already installed this one, guys. Again, I will not do the same thing. After that, copy this one, the fifth command, and paste it here. After that, press enter. The tool will run. So if you want a full practical of the video of this tool, guys, so please visit my Telegram channel, guys. I given the full practical video there. So thanks for watching, guys.